Hey guys, let's see how to recover deleted files from an SD card. I have here a laptop, a Dell laptop with Windows. And you see that I have a slot, so I can just insert my SD card here. Let's say, for example, that I got my SD card from my camera and I have some pictures and some videos. When I insert it here, you see that just pops up on Windows. And I have different videos and pictures, right? So I'm going to select them. You see that I have a total of 13 and 1.2 gigabytes of data, right? So I'm coming here and deleting them. Let's say you just delete them accidentally, right? And they are gone. If you try like something like Control Z or something like this, it's not gonna work here on Windows, right? So if I come here to the recycle bin, it's not there as well. So in this case, I need a piece of software to recover them, right? So I'm gonna use here this one, Stellar Data Recovery. So it's pretty easy, you just need to launch the software here. And then you just need to select the location that have your files, the files that you want to recover, and the software is going to scan the location and bring you the files available, right? If they are available, of course. There we go. It's pretty simple. You see the interface here. You just need to come to recovery from, and here you can select your SD card. It's just simple like this. You can also check here deep scan if you want to. Let me just scan without the deep scan first and see what happens. You see that it goes pretty fast. It comes from 0 to 100% and does this all over again. There we go, twice. And you see here that found 28 files in 2 folders, okay? A total of 2.39 gigabytes of data recoverable. And you see that I have more data here than I was expecting, right? Because when I have previous files here, they are still there. If I deleted previous files, they are being recovered here by this software, right? So I just want my pictures and the videos. You see here that I have the information about system volume information in SD card and some videos here and some pictures here, right? Let me just try to recover some of them. You see here that I have 2 with the same name here for every single one. I don't know why, right? But let me just try to recover all of them at the same time. I just click here, recover, and I select the destination. Let's say here I'm gonna use on the desktop, select the folder, and save. So now it's bringing all of my files, and I didn't even try the deep scan yet. I'm just trying the regular scan from the Stellar Data Recovery software, and let's see how it goes. I see that's recovering right now a video that I have. Another one. So it's gonna take some time to recover all of them. There we go. Now it's asking me if I want to rename the files because it found more than one for some reason, okay? I'm gonna just hit here, skip all, and view data. And let's see, I have here, let's see, picture number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 through 10. So I have 10 pictures and I have 3 videos. Okay, a total of 13 files. So basically it's working. This is a pretty short video. Let me just play it. It's a 2-second video. So it's playing it pretty good. Here the picture, let's see, number 1, working pretty fine. Picture number 2, working as well. So all of them working pretty fine. So it's basically working. Let me just try here now the video as well. I have a long video here. I was recording something here on the pool. And it's working pretty fine. Another one here. Working pretty fine as well. So I got like 100% of my files back. You see that sometimes you don't get 100%, right? Because it's just 10 technical recovery, and sometimes you can't get 100%. In this case, I got 100% even before starting with the deep scan here, which is an extra option, right? So I'll leave the link here in the description for this professional software. Then you can recover your files, all right? So I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.